Hi, dear friends. Can you try to answer the questions the doctor asks you?
Good morning. Please have a seat. What brings you here today? Do you have a cough or body pain? Have you taken any medicine? That's fine. Any allergies or other health problems? It seems like a throat infection. I'll prescribe an antibiotic and some lozenges. Take it 3 times a day after food. And drink plenty of warm water. Take care. If the fever doesn't go down in 2 days, come back for a checkup.
Now, I'm going to answer the doctor's questions in your place, imagining myself as a patient. You can listen to the conversation. Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. Please have a seat. What brings you here today?
I've been having a sore throat and a mild fever for the past 2 days.
Do you have a cough or body pain?
Yes, a bit of cough, and I feel tired all the time.
Have you taken any medicine?
Just some paracetamol.
That's fine. Any allergies or other health problems?
No, doctor, nothing serious.
It seems like a throat infection. I'll prescribe an antibiotic and some lozenges.
How often should I take the medicine?
Take it 3 times a day after food. And drink plenty of warm water.
Thank you, doctor. I'll follow your advice.
Take care. If the fever doesn't go down in 2 days, come back for a checkup.
Now, rewind the video to the beginning and try answering the doctor's question again. Keep practicing this conversation with the doctor again and again. You'll really see your speaking improve.